IT Services is in the process of replacing its service portal, Cherwell, with TeamDynamix. The goal of the service portal is to empower you with the ability to create your own service requests and provide access to the knowledge base in order to resolve issues without the assistance of an agent. As someone who has used this service portal in the past year, we want to gather your insights as to what is important to you in the new service portal. Your input will help to improve the user experience and improve productivity. Let's take a look at the current service portal Cherwell to refresh your memory. This is the current IT service portal. It can be used to make a request, report something is broken, buy technology, approve purchase requests, review your ticket history, view university assigned assets, and search for answers in the knowledge base. Let's take a look at the service catalog. We'll also look at my approvals and purchase requisitions for making a new purchase request. Now that our memories are refreshed, let's take a look at the new IT service portal. Front and center on the dashboard is information on how to request assistance. There are a few buttons on the left side to provide quick access to the most common types of help requests we receive. On the right, the system identifies the most popular services and provides quick links to place a ticket related to that service. The Popular Articles widget is being manually created to provide links to our top requests for assistance. Now that you've had a preview of the new system, my hope is that you have some feedback to share about how to use the old system and what you'd like to see in the new system. What is missing? What do you need to be able to do in the new system? What needs to be made more visible on the dashboard? You can submit your feedback using the link in the email. I'll be reaching out to you if you have any questions and to ask if you'd like to assist with usability testing once the system is developed enough for testing. Thank you for helping IT make this portal a time-saving resource. Go Bulldogs!